Do you know that feeling of frustration when attempt to grow a small account and go nowhere? If you have tried several strategies and still haven't seen significant progress, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you the method that finally got me out of the rut and can help you too. Let's start with that, guys. Let's go. A unique surprise is waiting for you. Watch until the end of the video and you'll be amazed at what's coming your way. Guys, today we're gonna use only two indicators, okay? It's not Stoch Oscillator that's come for you and SUPERTREND. And with that SUPERTREND, you're gonna use 10 and 3. This time is up to you. Stoch Oscillator 14, 3, 3, and simple movement. Alright. And the color, I just changed that to ocean blue, but it's okay. Alright, Cash candle and 15 seconds on time frame. And $14, alright? And 1 minute on expiration time. So that is all we have for today, guys. Let's start with that. We got all that set up and we are go to go. All right, guys, right here we are looking out for a buying opportunity right in this particular level. Let's go to position on here. The buy button. So reasons why I'm checking that trade, it's that consistency of the candlestick. You can see it candle is stating to being consistent right here. That's good for us. The next thing you always consider the right is the signal from the SUPERTREND. When you got the green, that's an uptrend, and when you have a red, that's a downtrend. But not only that, guys, also come right here, those Stoch Oscillator. You can see right here, or on that line is actually an overbought condition. That's what's actually give us very good confirmation to take a buy trade. As you can see right here, EXA actually making very good amounts of money. Okay, if you just get this one, you're gonna win $26. Okay, that's the reason for that. And look at this, right? Anytime you see the kind of candlestick like this, that's a good one. And boom, we got right now $26 as I said. Okay, guys, just so you know, this is one of the strategies that can completely change our path in this market. To become a pro, mastering the most profitable strategies is a must. But don't worry, I've got two exclusive content piece that will be the key to our growth. Okay, guys, you're looking for a buying opportunity again. Look at that. It's the same position. Let's actually enter with that. Okay, so the first thing we actually consider right here is the consistent candle as the previous one. Basically, if you could see right here, the candlestick are really not stable, right? But that is an uptrend for us. You can use that as a trigger. Hope you're getting that right, guys. So you actually saw very strong that the first thing you need to put in consideration together with the SUPERTREND. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. The indicator match actually triggers, but you should not take a trade when you do not take that. You must be able to see the consistent candlestick first, then you need to the SUPERTREND and then Stoch Oscillator. It has to be in the overbought conditional to get an uptrend or sold-off conditional for a downtrend and to be moving from that. Okay, 1 second and just got for $8, guys. Look at that, it's very good. So let's move on for the next one. So guys, I'm going to the market for the last trade and look out for selling opportunity right now. Or if you could see right here, the candlestick is rejecting right at this particular point and gets a downtrend again. Sometimes you might be able to see all the confluence. You know intact, but when the candlestick really not giving a trade confirmation, please do not take that trade. So you want a strong candlestick to print right here to confirm that truly this market's pretty much going in a down direction, as we have right here. All right. So you can see the constituents of the candlestick. You see the range of that, the SUPERTREND, the Stoch Oscillator. All right. And that is very strong. And as you can see right here on this point, okay? Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. That's our confirmation. I hope you can get it right, guys. That is pretty important, okay? We got almost 5 seconds remaining for that, so look at that, 2 seconds, and that's we traded. You can see that, guys. Made profit on that, $86 and almost 9 trillion total. So I said initially, if all confirmation being said, you need to strong candlestick and SUPERTREND and stochastic later. We have to wait until the strong candlestick before to make a trade. So guys, this is where we're going to stop now this video. If you enjoyed this video so far, ensure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the link with your friends, okay? So just activate the notification for that, for the little bell. And that's all, guys. Thanks so much for being here together with me again. And see you again in our video. Don't give up and trade, guys. Keep trading. Bye for now. See you. Bye-bye.